Say welcome to Ganpati Maths classes. Today we will discuss some important models on range of a function using greatest integer function. So here first one we observed here, f of x is equal to sin pi step x square minus 1 divided by x power 4 plus 1. What about range of this function? In which we observing sin of pi step x square minus 1. Here step x square minus 1 is an integer. Why? Because step x value always integer for any value of x. That's why very clear step of x square minus 1 value integer. We know that sin n pi is equal to 0 for all n belongs to z. Sin n pi value is 0. Here step x square minus 1 value integer. That's very clear, which is of the form sin n pi. That's why very clear sin pi step x square minus 1 value 0. And x power 4 plus 1 value what? For any real number. For any real number x power 4 plus 1 value greater than or equal to 1. That's why very clear x power 4 plus 1 is not equal to 0. That's why range of f is singleton 0. Okay, here we applied greatest integer function concept. Then easily identified range of this function. Okay, right. I go for next one. F of x is equal to step sin x. This is one important application. Step sin x. What about range of this function? Okay, very clear. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin x is less than or equal to 1. Simply you should identify what are the possible integers between from minus 1 to 1 for sin x. Then easily you should identify now step sin x is equal to what? The possible integers, what are they? Minus 1, 0 and 1. That's why therefore range of f is what? Set of minus 1 comma 0 comma 1, because sin x values for minus 1 to 1. The possible values for step sin x, the possible values for step sin x is what? From minus 1 to 1, very clear, minus 1, 0, 1. That's why range of the given function is what? Set of minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Very clear. Now I go for next one. F of x is equal to step of tan x. The image of x under f is what? Step of tan x. Now what about range of this function? Very clear, observed here. What about tan x range? Set of all real numbers. That's a very clear here. The range of tan x is set of real numbers. Now we should apply definition of greatest integer function. Okay, range of tan x is R. That implies step tan x is what? Very clear. Set of integers. Set of integers. That's why we should write now range of f is set of integers. Okay, very clear. Now I go for next one. F of x is equal to sin inverse step x. This is one more important application. F of x equal to sin inverse of step x. What about range of this function? Okay, here using domain of sine inverse x. What about domain of sine inverse x? Very clear. That implies minus 1 less than or equal to step x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, now, so what are the possible values? What about possible values for step x? So very clear, step x is equal to what? Minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Then what about range? Range of f is what? Step of sine inverse of minus 1 comma sine inverse 0 comma sine inverse 1. Finally what? Very clear. Sine inverse of minus 1 means minus pi by 2. 0 pi by 2. This is the range of sine inverse of step x. Understood? Right. Now I go for one more interesting problem. F of x is equal to step of sine of fractional part of x. Here this symbol now present indicates fractional part of x. Okay, what is fractional part of x? Very clear. I will give briefly, I will recall now. Observe here. 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x is less than 1. This is remember. Okay, now here we want range of this function. Okay, here sin x, what is the domain of sin x? Set of all real numbers. Of course, here every real value existed for for fractional part of x. That's very clear. The domain of this function is set of real numbers. Now, what about range of this function? Observe here. 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x is less than 1 and 0, that implies 0 less than or equal to sine of fractional part of x is less than sine 1. Sine 1 means sine 1 radian. Okay, what about possible integers for step of sine of fractional part of x? So, yeah, very clear, sine 1 radian means what here? Approximately sine of 57 degrees 18 minutes. Okay, its value approximately 0.86. Approximately its value. Okay, sine 57 degrees 18 minutes. So, which is less than sine 60 degrees. Of course, sine 60 degrees everybody knows. Root 3 by 2 should calculate approximately 0.86. That's why you can observing now what are the possible integers between or from 0 to 0.86. What are the possible values? Very clear. Zero. That's why, therefore, range of f is what? Singleton 0. Understood? These are some main applications on range of a function using greatest integer function. Okay, remaining models we will discuss in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Namaste.